This is CNN Breaking News.
We are just learning from TV Asahi that there's yet another fire that has just broken out at one of the nuclear reactors. We're told it's in the northwest fourth floor nuclear reactor number 4. That's one of the areas of the Daiichi complex that has been so worrisome right now. Just what they don't need, Aisha. Yet another fire, certainly complicating efforts to keep the situation under control. You know, there are a limited number of fire workers there to begin with because it's so dangerous because of the potential of radiation poisoning. But now confirmation that yet another fire has just erupted. We're all over this story. We're getting more information, but this, I got to tell you, Aisha, is very disturbing.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Of course, this fire happening on the northwest floor, fourth floor of Reactor 4. Reactor 4 was the area we were talking about earlier on today because there was a fire previously there on Tuesday. Also, a fire that involved the cooling pond that was used for nuclear fuel. This was a development bringing Reactor 4 into the picture, of course, Wolf, because we've previously been talking about Reactors 1, 2, and 3, and that's where there had been explosions. And then there was a fire in Reactor 4, and now we're getting this breaking news via TV Asahi that there is a new fire that has broken out in that Reactor 4. So many questions, Wolf, to be asked. You know, we're looking at 4 days, and we've talked about 3 explosions and 2 fires, this new fire being the second one. And the question is, they've only got about 50 people there working at this plant. Can they cope with the multiple problems that they're clearly dealing with, Wolf? And the other question that we're all going to be wondering about now is, what does this do to radiation levels, Wolf?
And, you know, they were thinking of bringing helicopters in to start dumping water on these areas, although there's what they call a no-fly zone over this entire region because of the potential for radiation and other problems emerging. But you see right now on the screen, you see those 4 reactors, all of them in some trouble, some significant trouble right now. And if, in fact, this fire is in a sensitive area, that will merely compound all of the trouble that's going on. Let me just repeat what we know right now. The Tokyo Electric and Power Company, they're having a news conference in Tokyo. TV Asahi, which is our affiliate in Japan, has been monitoring it. They've discovered, this is what they're reporting, the fire was discovered in the northeastern corner of Reactor 4. That's at this Daiichi plant, and it's happening right now. So it's a very worrisome situation. We know that the fire was discovered. We have no idea if it's been contained or if it's just getting worse, but that's the last thing they need right now, a fire at this plant, given all the enormous concern that's going on. It seems one disaster leading to another disaster, and we can only imagine what happens next, but we're worried about it. We're staying on top of it, and we'll get back to more information as we get it. Aisha, I got to tell you, as soon as you think that maybe this story is being contained, the development's contained, something like this breaks out.